This is the InkExpert's IE-30 desktop DTF printer. Built for purpose and ideal for business or home use. Creates an A3 sized print, has a touchscreen panel display and a wide circulation system that constantly runs. This prevents any blockages and makes it easy to maintain. The built-in thermometer and hygrometer make it easy for you to monitor the conditions the printer is used in. DTF printing has never been more accessible. The simple software makes this printer user-friendly. It's so simple to put in an image, resize it and spot with a white layer. It can then be printed easily from any Windows PC. Desktop DTF printing can now be enjoyed by everyone. We've sweat over the small details so you don't have to. And full UK support is supplied with every IE-30 desktop DTF printer. The guillotine on the flat output tray makes it easy to trim your images, and powdering and curing can be done by using the InkExpert's desktop DTF oven, also available as a separate purchase. Alternatively, you could use the shaker oven. This automates powdering, curing and rolling up of the media, ideal for business users. Once cured, your print is now ready to send to customers or press onto any of your garments. Any flatbed heat press that can reach 160 degrees can be used to press the image. And you're left with a professional looking, highly durable DTF print. Welcome to the future of garment printing.